the studio. It's your girl Minuet. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. Consider subscribing to follow along on the journey. I make content for new parents, as well as I talk about my journey and some tips and tricks along the way. And I've been doing this for a couple of years, but I just recently started taking it a little bit more serious. This episode is on ways to earn income at home. So number one, selling your used or lightly used items on Marketplace or Karrot. If you live in Canada, you know what I'm talking about because I'm sure you see lots of those ads. But I've made roughly over $500 off of Marketplace selling over the last 6 months, maybe more even actually. Number two, if you're creative, then you can always sell some of your art. So if it's mixed media art, if you're a sculptor, if you're a photographer, or even a painter, you can pretty much sell anything. And I always recommend doing something that you're passionate about because that's what you're going to want to do in the long term. And that's what's going to make you want to get out of bed to create. So do something that you're passionate about. Number three is to get a call center position that you can do at home or pretty much anywhere. If you have a call center position, then you don't have to A, spend money on transportation, or B, you can save on eating out. I find when I leave the house, I spend money even if I don't want to. Even if I bring a lunch, I spend money. So if you have a call center position where you work from home, A, you're gonna save on transportation and food, and B, you're gonna be able to make money from your house. So that's a good one. I'm just getting back to work from my maternity leave, and I thankfully got a position before I went on mat leave that was a call center job. So I'm just really glad that I was able to go back to that afterwards. Number four is to learn option trading or stocks. Stocks is a little bit slower, but it's a great way to put your money somewhere that's not a savings account so you can earn that extra interest as the stock rises. Option trading is a little bit more intense, so definitely do your research and learn about options trading before you just dive into it. But it can be a really great way to earn a little extra income on the side. I'm just learning about it, so I'm not going to sit here and talk to you about it and tell you things that I don't know, but definitely go do your research and learn about it because it could be a really great way to earn some money from home. All right, y'all, that's all I got. Peace out. I pray that you guys get the finances, the financial resources that you desire, because I know that it's coming to me and I'm putting it out into the universe. And I know that just by you guys watching this video, you guys are also helping me get to my financial goals. So I just want to say thank you so much. And I'm sending that positivity and that light right back to you, because I want you to be able to reach your financial goals just the same. All right, guys, peace out. Watch some of my other videos, linked up here, linked up there, wherever it's linked up, but just check it out. Thank you. Bye.